Welcome to another edition of JavaScript for You. One thing you often see on web pages is a timeout, where if you don't complete some action in a given time, you time out of your session or you time out of something. And that can happen either on the server side, where you obviously time out of a session where the back end says, hey, too much time has passed in a secure sense. But in a less secure sense, you might have a client-side timeout in JavaScript. And this is kind of the way you'd want to set that up. Set up a timeout where we have here timeout and the number of milliseconds here. So you just set up a timeout object that's going to start counting from when it fires. And then down here I have some function that I want to fire when the timeout happens. And the way I'm going to trigger this is with a little button. Now this is obviously not the way you'd use this on a real web page. You don't want somebody to press a button and have a timeout happen, unless maybe it's a game event where they have a certain amount of time to take something happening. So they trigger an event, timer starts, and then whatever happens. So down here we have press me and wait, and on click do the time message. So we do this, and then when that finishes it's going to fire this dialog. So let's see how that all finds out. Let's go up here. Bring the page up. We have our button, we'll press it. Now 3 seconds in, we get the alert. And again, not very exciting, but you see how you can set a timeout on the client side and then have it take place. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with JavaScript.